If you're encountering an email not verified message on CareerBuilder, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you verify your email and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your email inbox. Look for an email from CareerBuilder in your inbox. This email usually contains a verification link that you need to click to confirm your email address. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you can't find the verification email, go to the CareerBuilder login page and click on the Resend verification email option. Enter your email address again to receive a new verification link. Step 3. Click the verification link. Once you receive the new email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This action should confirm your email address and update your account status. Step 4. Log into your account. After verifying your email, return to the CareerBuilder website and log into your account using your credentials. Check if the email not verified message is gone. Step 5. Contact support if needed. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the email not verified issue on CareerBuilder quickly. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out for help.